May I not inform you about the Dajjal, that means Antichrist, what no other messenger of Allah narrated to his people? He would be blind, and he would bring along with him an image of paradise and hellfire, and what he would call as paradise, that would be hellfire. And I warn you as Noah warned his people. Al-Hadith Muslim Sharif, book number 41, hadith number 7014.